How's it going, car people? It's Lucas here, back with another video. Today I present to you this 2021 Renault Trafic Business. As always, I will start it up, show you the engine, as well as show you around the interior and the exterior of the car. So, here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get started. This Trafic is equipped with a smart key access system, accessible from the driver and passenger doors as well as the rear door. Now, to use it, you would normally just have the key card on you, and then use the black buttons on the door handles to lock and unlock the vehicle, but unfortunately, the button seems to not be functional right now. This Trafic is finished off in a glacier white exterior and comes paired with a black cloth interior, as well as a 6-speed manual transmission. This particular Trafic comes with two different ways to start it. The first way is a two-step process. Step 1 is to insert the key card into the slot right up here on the dash, which turns the vehicle's power on. And after that, you have push-button start located down in the console. The second way comes along with the smart key access system and eliminates the first step of inserting the key card into the slot. So, you just keep it inside the car and use the push-button start right away. Just put your foot on the clutch and hit the button to start. So, let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, fog lights, and hazards. The driver's side window is fully automatic. So, let's go ahead and check out the exterior of the Trafic. The Renault Trafic is a light commercial vehicle produced by French automaker Renault since 1980. Since launch, the Trafic has seen 3 generations. The first one ran from 1980 to 2001, the second, the X83, from 2001 to 2015, and the third and current generation, the X82, has been in production since 2014. The X82 Trafic was introduced in September 2014 and is also marketed as the Fiat Talento, the Mitsubishi Express in Australia and New Zealand, the Nissan NV300, as well as the Opel and Vauxhall Vivaro. The Vivaro models were discontinued in 2018, while the Talento came out in 2016 as the replacement for the Fiat Scudo and was discontinued in 2020. The NV300 will be renamed the Nissan Primastar for the 2022 model year. The Trafic is available in many different length and height configurations to suit a buyer's needs, as well as a cargo van or passenger van. This particular one is the L1H1, which is the short wheelbase low roof version. The Trafic received a facelift for the 2020 model year. The Trafic is available with 3 different trim levels: Business, Business Plus, and Sport. On the exterior of this Trafic, you'll find halogen headlights, front and rear fog lights, black plastic side mirrors and door handles, rear parking sensors, a backup camera next to the third brake light, and 16-inch steel wheels with plastic center caps on Goodyear Efficient Grip 205/65 R16 tires. As far as dimensions, length is 196.8 inches, width is 77 inches, height is 77.8 inches, and the wheelbase is 122 inches. Curb weight is 3,814 pounds. This Trafic is powered by a 2-liter, dual overhead cams, 16 valves, twin-turbo diesel inline 4-cylinder engine. It produces 144 horsepower at 3,500 RPM, and 258 pound-feet of torque at 1500 RPM. The 0 to 100 km per hour time as well as the top speed is unknown for this model. It has an 80-liter or 21.1 gallon fuel tank and gets an average estimated fuel economy of 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers or 42 miles per gallon. The Trafic is front-wheel drive. You get a 6-way manually adjustable driver's seat, slide, height adjustment, and on the other side, you have the handle for your recline. The driver does also get an adjustable armrest. You do have plastic door panels, power windows, power mirrors, storage compartments, speaker, another little storage cubby to the left of the steering column, as well as headlight leveling, panel dim, traction control, and the button for your parking sensors. So, let's go ahead, hop back in, do a few revs, and see how she sounds. This Trafic comes with single zone manual climate control. You have your fan speed, temperature settings, different zones, front defrost, rear defrost, AC, recycling. Overall pretty simple to use. This vehicle has an aftermarket Sony radio in it. This is the power button for it. And the backlights do change color, as you can see on the buttons. By using the off button, you can also change the radio source. You've got a CD player, a USB auxiliary input, Bluetooth. You can view the tuner. You got your 6 preset stations, the seat track buttons, eject button for the CD player. Right here is your USB slot. Just hold down the off button to turn it off. Speed limiter warning, auto start stop system, power outlet, power locks, eco mode, cup holder. This Trafic is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. For reverse, pull a little tab under the shifter, push it all the way to the left and up. And upon entering reverse, you do have a backup camera in the rear view mirror. This vehicle also has rear parking sensors. Parking brake. This vehicle is a 3-seater, as you can see. Storage compartments on the dash and your glove box. You do have the standard steering wheel in this vehicle, which is nice and fluid. Cruise control settings, wiper stalk, turn signal stalk. The steering wheel does also tilt and telescope. On the gauge cluster, tachometer, digital speedometer, odometer. This vehicle has 1,400 kilometers on it, trip meter, and fuel gauge. Via these 2 buttons on the back of the wiper stalk, you can scroll through some of the info on the top display of the gauge cluster. You can see a bunch of fuel economy data, fuel range, average speed and such. Your sun visors, auto dimming review mirror, and front interior lights. All right. So let's go ahead and shut it down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. Being the cargo van version, this Trafic does not have any seats in the back. The cargo area is accessible from the sliding door on the passenger's side or the doors on the back. Total cargo space for the L1H1 Trafic is 183.6 cubic feet. Alright, and that is going to wrap up the tour on the 2021 Renault Trafic Business. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.